Welcome to the channel. I screwed up the aperture when I wanted to get the fungus and dust off the lens elements. The aperture was also stuck by tough oil. Then I could take pictures wide open or with just a few stops down. Just enough for my style of shooting. A far too long, shortest focusing distance of 1.5 meters. Then the sharpness is fine, and there are beautiful bokeys. It's a 135mm, so you can expect that. I'll keep an eye on this brand for other focal lengths. Quality is to be expected, or so it seems.